Hello guys, this is Ivan here. It's Friday and today I will give you, as always during the weekends, super special fantastic promo. This one which I will explain in a few minutes. It is really great. In meantime, we have some trades live. I will show you some results with some extra advisors and indicators, some short review of 5-6 products, because maybe you will need it later. So USD JPY, we are in REACTOR SCALPER in the money. We have here trailing stop which is open, so stop loss is here. We cannot lose this trade anymore, guys. Also we have gold here, and it is sell trade. Of course, we are in the trend trading, and we'll see. I'm sure that it will be in the money. You see, this is sell direction, trend is going down, so later, sooner it will go in this direction. So we have two trades here. I will review little bit other. This is X Turbo Trader. You see that we made $700 in last 3 days. We have, I think, about 50 trades in a row winning and $70 profit. Mostly they are small profit, but there are also some of $30, $20, but about $700 we made. Then we are trading live here with Trendy Trader. This is European Index 50, and it is, I think, in the money or somewhere here, and we are very close to make $2,000 from deposit start 500. If you want to find more, we have series of videos, 4 videos about Trendy Trader, in which we showed from the beginning of 500 how we can increase, build up a very small account size. So we are very close to increase it 4 times in maybe 9 days, 10 days of trading. We are very close to 2000. This is REACTOR or Forex engulfing, not a trade at the moment. This is our trade with REACTOR Scalper, with USD JPY and with gold. Gold is still not in the money, but guys, you must believe when you get some system that you will win in a long run. So if we lose now, by the way, this trade, that doesn't mean that something is not working. If I lose 10 trades maybe, but it's impossible, 10 trades today with this, I will keep using it, because if only we have 65% accuracy, winning ratio, in long run we'll always make money. But here we have more than 85% accuracy, so we cannot lose. So I am telling this to you guys because also we have another trade, GBP USD here, you see, on 5 minutes. I am telling it because many of people, many of users, of traders, when buy some product, and after 1 day or 2 days, even after 1 week, they are telling it doesn't work. I have only 60%. Today I lost 3 trades, and so on. And also they are using back testing system, and then it is not good. Guys, trading is not short, quick profit run. You need days and days, weeks and weeks to trade, to keep, let's say, this extra advisor reactor. Let it run, let it work. Of course, you will not open 20 pairs. Maybe you will open 2 or 3 maximum. You will risk maximum 5% altogether. So you will not risk 5% with USD JPY and 5 with this one and 5 with this one. You will risk 1 here, 1% here, or 1 here. I'm very curious if we'll win this. So we will wait. I will show you later the result of this. So let's go on. Also we have here ADEX Turbo Trader, fantastic Turbo Trader, which works on all time frames, all assets, on stocks, on crypto, fantastic with crypto. Also, I think that we have very nice, fantastic results. Terminal, I think that we don't have, yes, we have one trade, Australian Swiss franc. No, this is a trade with, binary circle turbo version 3. But let's see with ADEX what we made in last 2 days. You say $300. 2 lost trades. You see Matic USD we won, gold we won, and this also we won. So it is also fantastic. Also, this is a binary circle, fantastic indicator, which can be used on all time frame. Very simple, not repainted one. Also, this is APIX, fantastic double confirmation indicator. You see this latest trade. All you need here is wait for a not repainted APIX Turbo. If you have both time frame confirmed, you enter the trade, of course, if the candle is blue and over this white line. Also here, fantastic. So we have many fantastic systems. Any you guys, I must say, because you are asking which one is, let's say, the best. Which one is the best? The best one, I cannot tell which is the best one. There are different strategies. On each, it is price action, trend, reversal, anything. So sometimes one is working better in this period of day or of weeks. Other is working better maybe with other currencies and so on, so on. But every which I have on my web page is okay. But you must have patience. You must watch my videos, at least few videos, guys. It is in your interest to watch the videos, how it works, how to use it, and so on. Not blindly to use. Use it on demo, of course, first few weeks or maybe 1 month, to see what pairs, what time of day you prefer. We cannot have same results. 10 people, 10 different results with the same system, same indicator. Not 10 people, 100 people, 100 different results. You see now, maybe some of you will be impatient and say it doesn't work, reactor scalper is bad. But you see that the gold came in this direction. Again, it goes firstly up and now it's going down. So you always must be patient. You always must be patient. Don't rush. I will close this because just to see GBP USD. No, it's okay, but I will close it, and we have already this one trading. But I am mostly interested now what will be with this. Maybe we'll see the results in a few minutes until I explain you what we are offering you in this super promo, in which you choose anything you want. I will give you a special price, 3 packages, and you choose anything you want. So you have seen several expert advisors here. So the first package is expert advisors. If you want to have any 2 expert advisors of your choice, trendy trader, plus you want X turbo trader or reactor scalper or ADEX or I don't know, yes, ADEX or any from my webpage, you get both for unique price 187. So you choose, you go to my webpage and you choose any to go. If you want expert advisors, go to expert advisors and choose Robo Scalper or any reactor scalper 289, engulfing one, ADEX turbo trendy. All, so you see only this is 389. So if you take reactor and let's say Forex engulfing, altogether is 560. You get it for unique price 187. So you choose any for 187. But maybe you want only indicators. Maybe you want only indicator. Then go to indicators and you see you choose the latest divergence strategy DC 500 or Apex Turbo, which I have shown you, or ADEX Turbo or V20 top seller, fantastic, of trendy indicator or X Turbo, trend lock system, Dexter, breakout, or binary circle turbo version 3. Any you choose, you pay both for 2 117. 117. So let's say you choose binary circle and I don't know, you like this trendy. Both you will pay over 330 euros, but now only 117 for both. This is the second package. The third package or middle priced one is you can choose any expert advisor and any indicator. So maybe you would like to have this V20 Plus 159 and you want this reactor scalper, which I'm showing you, which is 289, altogether 450 euros, but in this promo package you get both for 157. One expert advisor plus one indicator of your choice, 157. So guys, all this will be in few hours, will be here in special offers. Always look this. And if you are subscribed to my promo, to my web, you will get this offer detailedly explained, all written to your email. If you are not subscribed, it is free. It is 10 seconds. Leave your email, click subscribe. and then you will get these all offers what we have during the weekends, and even during the week. Sometimes we have 1 day special offers. So guys, you see that we are very close to be in the money. You see it is going down. Let's forget this. So now this is we are in the money, but the spread is very high with gold. That's why we are not in the money. But I am now, when I'm seeing here, I am almost absolutely safe that we'll make money with this. It can go up, down, but you see, this is the trend. So it can go maybe until this, but it will, sooner or later, it will go down. So guys, it is our weekend promo, in which you really can save a lot. Maybe you will pay 25% of real regular prices if you buy these packages. So free packages of 2 expert advisors, packages of 2 indicators, and a mixed one package of expert advisor plus indicator. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can check later this. You see it is a very big struggle here between bulls and bears. So we'll see. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend.